this is your first time putting on a glueless wig, I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is, even if you have no prior skills or experience. This is our Giselle 24-inch glueless silk top lace front wig. It has a lace front and a silk top, which gives it that nice scalp look. So first, if you have hair, put your hair in a low bun or a ponytail, because you're going to want to put it up under the wig cap. And you don't want it in a super tight bun because you don't want it to bulge out the back. So if you could smush your hair up and get as flat your head as possible once it's in the cap, that's perfect. Next, you're going to want to use one of our wig grips. This is what's going to keep your wig secure to your head all day without using any clips. This material grips to your hair and it keeps your wig nice and snug and secure. It will not fly off, it won't shift, and it won't move. There are little directions on the label. This one says wear with the label facing outwards. So that just means this way, not against your head. And if you have the lace wig grip, good rule of thumb is just to make sure that the lace part is in the front. What you want to do is line up the lace section with your part, wrap the band around underneath your bun or ponytail, and Velcro it. And now you don't want it on top of your ears. You want to make sure your ears are out like this. And then you can take this band and slide it back so it's right behind your natural hairline. So the lace should be right behind it. You don't want it in front or below it, because then it can stick out through the front of your lace and then it won't look good. So just slide it back just right behind your natural hairline and that should be good. You want the band to be snug, but not too snug where it's giving you a headache. I also like to use it to kind of slick your baby hairs back and get it out of your face. The band should be underneath your bun or ponytail, behind your ears, and behind your natural hairline. So now when you put the wig on, this is the easiest part. Is you're gonna take your dominant hand and you're gonna hold the wig by the nape down here, like this. So now the wig is upside down, right? And you can use two hands too if you want. Holding it by the nape, you're gonna put your forehead into the front of the wig, where your head would go. Put your head in, and then you're gonna anchor the wig in the front on your forehead. Take those two hands, stretch the nape around, and tuck your hair in. Hold it by the nape, put your forehead in, and then stretch it around. Another quick tip that makes it really easy, don't try to line it up perfectly with where you think you want the wig to end up. That just makes it more difficult. It's actually easier to put it down low on your forehead to start, and then once you tuck your hair underneath and you lift your head up, then you can shift it back to the right spot. It's a lot harder if you start your wig too far back and try to shift it forward. So when you tuck your head into the wig, it's okay to put it here to anchor it. So hold it by the nape, put your head in like this, anchor it down on your forehead, see how it grips, and then stretch the nape back all the way up on back. Tuck your bun in like this with your two hands. Make sure all your hair gets underneath, and then make sure the nape goes all the way down to where it's supposed to go, the back of your neck like that, and there you go. Flip your head up, and like I said, it's very low on my forehead, but that's okay, because now this is where you go up to the mirror and you adjust. If your wig has earpieces, a good way to know if it's in the right spot is if you can feel where the earpieces are. You want the earpieces to lay right by your temple. So if you feel that you have earpieces and one feels like it's up here and one's down here, just take your wig like this and shift it so that the earpieces are lined up right with your temples and they're even. I feel like they are pretty much in the right spot, but of course it's still too low. So to shift it back, never grab it by the lace, never try to pull it like this because you will damage the lace. All you do is grab your wig like this from the top and you just slide it back, shift it back till you get it in the spot that you think looks good. And you do it right up in the mirror so you know what you like and what you don't like. And then the last little tip is if there's any hair caught under the lace in the front, that's okay. But again, don't try to pull it out with your fingers because you can damage the lace. Just take one of our little hairline brushes, which is a really soft little spoolie, and any hair that's caught under the lace, you could just get it out with the spoolie. And after you do that, that is it. That is how easy it is to put on a glueless wig. It's super easy. You just need to know a couple little tips and tricks.